And I'm going to tell you, whether you like it or not, your balance sheet and your income statement are the scorecard of the success of your business. Hey folks, Lou Mosca, American Management Services. Welcome to today's edition of Straight Talk. And what I wanted to chat with you today is if you're an owner, what type of financial controls, financial tips should you keep in your back pocket? What kind of things should you make sure happen all the time? So first and foremost, make sure you have an accurate cash flow tool at your disposal that doesn't look at your cash historically, looks at what your cash requirements are proactively going forward for the next period of time. 2, make sure you have some type of weekly financial / operating reporting, whether it's in some form of flash report, some form of key indicators that matter to you. But make sure you do that weekly so that you know how your month is matriculating. It's one nobody likes. 3rd, change your accounting periods from months to periods. At American Management, we do 13 4-week periods. Why do we do that? Because every period is identical. How many times have you as an owner said to yourself, oh damn, there was an extra payroll in that month? Well, when you go 4 weeks to 4 weeks to 4 weeks, your bank will hate it. But I'm telling you, it's a very easy and accurate way to measure yourself against yourself. Next, get your financials on time. I spoke to a gentleman today, it is the end of June, who has no financials for 2024. Let me repeat that. This gentleman has no financials for 2024. We here at American Management get our period financials 5 days after the close of the period. So if you're going to stick with monthly, make sure your financial people generate a P&L and a balance sheet for you within 5 days, 6 days, 7 days of the end of the period. So if you're getting your cash flow, you know what you're looking at and your requirements are going forward. If you're getting a weekly flash report or KPIs, you're measuring your productivity throughout the month of the period. If you do your P&L on a timely basis, whether it's based on periods or based on months, you'll have your scorecard. And I'm going to tell you, whether you like it or not, your balance sheet and your income statement are the scorecard of the success of your business. Now, the hard part is if once you do that and you stick to those timelines, you want to do a variance analysis on the balance sheet and on the P&L, compared to budget, compared to whatever forecast you might have, and compared to the prior year, just like the big boys do. So you understand what's going on in your world. And if your financial people cannot do that for you, give me a call. I'll help them through it. I'll help you through it. But I'm telling you, you want to have these type of financial controls in place. So as your business goes up and down, or as crises happen, or stuff goes wrong in the world, you have solid control over your world.